Hi, let's talk about Torchlight Energy Resource. It's a company through its subsidiaries engaged in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation, and development of oil and natural gas properties in the United States. The company reaching the 1 billion market cap, and the earnings have grown 12% per year over the past 5 years. It has highly volatile share price. As you can see, this is insane. I made the video last time in early February. I don't remember, was it 6th or, but anyway, the price were at around maybe $3 per share, and they managed in a few months triple it. So the today's highest point, 10.88. Huge volumes. They have similar volumes as in the mid-February. This is actually huge. So the volumes are going high, but I don't think the price could stay that high for a long time because their valuation side, we see here, for example, Market Watch, stock price target 2.7. So I think that there is potentially this coming back to the normal level as an expectation. So around $3 per share, maybe less. So between, we see here that the SMA 200. So I think it could reach this numbers. So 1.5 to 3. So be careful, and it has one of the risks also makes less than 1 million in revenue, and it's actually 111k. Latest share price, so they have the earnings update, special meetings, and below change. So that made to the market performance 1,552%. Huge numbers. Of course, those beating the industry, beating the market. And I see here, for example, all-time highest. So they're actually the earliest point, 2010, $0.05 per share. 16,000%. That's very huge, very impressive. And long-term price volatility is highest, of course. This volatility is pretty high, so I think those who invested, for example, here December 13th, they had to wait 80 years to make the so that is actually long-term investments. So you were sitting at around, let's have a look. What is volatility? So if you manage to keep that, 94 on the negative side. So for example, you invested 10,000, or the less the better, 1,000. Can you be able not to sell at the loss, and within, like here we have the 5 months. After 5 months, you're sitting minus 94%. So you had 1,000, and there's like $60 left. Would you be back holding this 3 years? And only now you could sell it at 44% win. So define your strategy. What do you want to achieve? There's no as money bottom in there. So this is pretty real story. How you could sit in the stock for not for decades, but for years. Valuation side, as I said, 2.7 on the market watch, and the future growth 16% to the energy industry sector. Past performance 12%. Historical annual earning growth. They have pretty volatile earnings and pretty low revenue. The company is unprofitable. financial health side. So this is actually, they have been managed to decrease the all debt, so they are currently debt free, and they do have a little bit cash, 13 million, and equity 55 million. So are they printing? Yes. Shares outstanding keep significantly increasing, and total sales are getting lower every year. I'm not sure, is this actually some of the, for example, short squeeze, because this might be it. They're not paying dividends, and insider, yeah, so there was individual that brought max price 0.46, so he managed to make more than 10x, by the way, so over 7 million. Well, that's pretty impressive. Ownership breakdown: general public 74%, insiders 10, institutions 9, private companies 6, Vanguard Group adding. So there's, yeah, mostly adding. BlackRock decreased. Last reporting holding date 31st of March. Anyway, top 3 are increasing the stock to their portfolios. And yeah, so this is very impressive. November 20th, for example, yeah, over 2,000%, almost 3,000%. Huge returns. And investing.com, Sunrun, the stock for long-term investors as they buy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.